Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change passport number on Aairasia. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Aairasia account, which of course I've done right here. The next one is how can you create an account on Aairasia? Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type airasia.com and follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. After signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into the fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Aairasia. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to change passport number on Aairasia. We're going to need to chat with Bo to get this done. How do you do that? From the bottom right corner of your screen, you have this chat with Bo. So click on the icon chat with Bo, and the Bo window is going to be displayed here so we can chat with him. So we have an existing conversation going on. I did not end it. I'm going to click on end chat and end chat. Start new chat. Click on Aairasia flights. And click on booking changes. Now we have guest details update. You have flight change, refund request, add-ons, and back to previous menu. Select guest details update. Guest details update. What exactly did I say there? So please ensure that you have a valid document readily available for the passengers that you want to update, and this could be a notification card, passport, or a government issued ID. So click on yes, you have the document ready. Hold on, let me check if you have any flight link. So now you're going to have to send Bo your booking number, which consists of 6 characters. So where can you find the booking number? Check your confirmation mail. After booking your ticket, head over to your mail, open up the confirmation mail, and you find the booking number. Copy it from there and paste it here. And once you send it to Bo, Bo is going to help you through the next step-by-step processes to help you change the passport number. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.